Most people use ChatGPT like a simple chatbot. But what if I told you there are hidden features most users don't know about? These tricks can help you work. Trick number 10, completely change how you use it. Let's get started. Most users get average results. Here's the secret upgrade. Always assign an expert role first. It works for marketing or even explaining code. This small change changes everything.
Many users start a new chat every time, but then ChatGPT loses context. Instead, keep the conversation going. Within the same chat, it remembers everything. It is like talking to a real assistant. Just ask follow-up questions. It's never opened a long paper that takes forever to read. Most people spend hours searching for key points. Instead, ask ChatGPT to summarize it. In seconds, you get easy bullet points. It is perfect for students and professionals. Have you ever had a big goal but no clear path where to start? Many people waste hours just trying to figure out the right roadmap. Instead, just ask ChatGPT to create a step-by-step plan. It can instantly generate a complete or create a detailed roadmap for growing a YouTube channel. Instead of wondering what to do next, you'll have a clear path. Whenever you have a goal, ask Chat for a roadmap. It organizes months of planning into an actionable plan within seconds. If you've written an email, don't send it immediately. Awkward sentences and grammar mistakes are easily missed. Instead, ChatGPT edit it. It instantly transforms rough draft. It works for blog posts and almost any written structure. Have you ever tried learning a new topic, but complex terms feel completely overwhelming? Instead, just ask for a simple explanation like U10, or explains any-day example from science and difficult concepts. You will learn Let's look at a powerful trick for whenever you're stuck. Instead of brainstorming for hours, just ask ChatGPT for creative channel ideas. It works for essays and marketing. Generate ideas instantly and save countless hours. Sometimes the information you need is buried inside long paragraphs. Comparing products or services can quickly become overwhelming. In almost anything else, tables make information easier to understand. When information is organized, making decisions becomes much easier. Whenever you need to compare options, ask ChatGPT for a table. You'll save time, reduce confusion, and make better decisions. Use ChatGPT as your productivity coach to organize your day. This will help you prioritize, schedule matters. And now it is time for my favorite ChatGPT trick. This trick is to find the best AI and unlock its full potential. This is the trick most users miss. Detailed prompts change everything. Custom prompts yield professional output. Use role, goal, context, and output. Better prompts equal better results. Like and subscribe for more tips. Those were 10 ChatGPT tricks that most people aren't. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know which you will try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and the next video.